Alright, back on the Jaguar. It's actually been over a week. I got sick with the flu, had to stay home, away from people so I didn't get nobody else sick, so we're back to work now. The boys here managed to help me out a bit. They pulled off most of the interior out and they started sanding down the whole body, all the panels, all the doors that they put up, and already epoxy primer it, so to protect the metal. As we can see now, since the metal has been completely stripped, the panels have been completely stripped, you can see where the rust holes really built up, you know. I mean, of course, why did they put the epoxy primer straight away? Is to protect the metal, so then you don't get the, what's it called, flash rust. Technically what happens, that's just an overnight rust that gets from the moisture, goes straight onto the panel, and it completely rusts the surface of the metal straight away. So it's a new epoxy they're using. Actually, it's a pretty nice color, huh? But yeah, you can see the rust a lot more now. You can still see a lot of dents in it. So they're gonna be working on these panels now and fixing it all up. So while they're doing that, we are gonna continue on the body. It's a big job, so let's get started, huh? Here we go. The boys have already started stripping all the paint. Yeah, because this car needs to be done in 3 months. So this has to be one of our records. So working hard and we're kind of crowding each other at the same time, but we're getting through with it. So now the Jaguar is already down in edge primer. After this, all the metal work is going to get done. That's why they have the sheet metal here, because they're going to cut at the middle, shape it into the actual shape of the patch panels, and yeah, then weld it all together and then start the body work. Even though the car is all under edge primer now, you can still see a lot of the rust holes that were developing. Like from here, this whole section is missing. Yeah, see all of that? You got sections here, here, here. Like the rust is everywhere. But it's only been 3 weeks since the car was completely stripped apart and edge primed, you know. So after this, the metal work, then the paint job, and this body will be done. So I think this is going to be like one of our records in getting the car done quick, because only 1 month and we're already up to here. Here we got all the chrome pieces laid out. Yeah, sorry about the noise in the background, but like I said, we don't want the boys to stop working, you know. We want them to keep working and get this job done in 3 months, by the way, yeah? Reminder, we're doing this car in 3 months. All right, so we got all the chrome pieces laid out here. It's all here. It's not that much, not compared to the Mercedes. The Mercedes had 95 pieces. At least it's not that many, so easier to keep in count on how many we have. Yeah, we're ready to put it in the car and get it to the chrome shop. So let's get that done, huh?